everything appears to be in order. Welcome, Master Baggins, and the company of foreign oaken shield.
Yo, so happy, what is, uh-oh, shoot, I self-started this car, I don't know how that happened, but happy she was, man. Man, I tell you, that's something else. Happy. Boy, here we go. What a day. I mean, what a start of the vlog, eh? I mean, what the heck is going on? I don't want to start this thing. It has a self-start on it. Happy, what is the day? It's happy. I mean, how does this thing stop? Happy Tuesday. Is it Tuesday? Yeah, it is. Alright. So, a late start of the vlog because I keep doing what I've been doing. I mean, I'm laying a strong, healthy foundation to my health, my life, and I've been really working hard, and I'm feeling better, more focused. And we have some massive major issues. That's what, see, what a start of the vlog. I mean, a late start, and then this car keeps starting. I don't know what the heck to do. Jeez, I just don't know what to do. The thing, well, man, I don't want this thing to keep starting. I have to figure it out too, so maybe that's why. Let's see. Oh no. I don't know, man. This is a messed up situation.
Oh man, now I can't even. Okay. Oh man, what a start to the vlog. I can't even move this now. Hold on, let's see if it'll start. If not, man, I'm in deep trouble. I'll tell you that. Man, because the auto called like mission photos. So is this one. What the? Oh my god! Oh my gosh!
Yo, so in a little bit of trouble, guys. The steering wheel's locked up. I can't get the thing to run, but check out the beautiful snow. This is perfect weather for winter for me. Nice and snowy, no wind, and it ain't that cold. Just beautiful snowy weather. I'm loving it. So I had to come out, I had to get an assistant manager out here to fix it. The steering wheel was locked, the gear shift was locked, it started up. I don't know what he did, man. That was nuts. But he fixed it. Thank you, assistant manager. Walmart. Walmart just saved my butt. Can't be thankful enough. Anyway, I would show you. I got more fruit. Look at that. Oh yeah. Health food bananas, and I got Cool Whip for my mom, and got me some SpaghettiOs. I might eat some of them when I get home. I don't know. But anyway, holy cow, man. What a lifesaver. He saved my life too. So thank you, God, and thank you, Walmart. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go, guys. I mean, I swear the most eventful thing of the day was when I vlogged. I mean, it's crazy. So until next time, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Peace.